Do you want to know how you can log into your Liberata Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Liberata Payroll account. Go ahead and open your browser and then search for Liberata Payroll Login. You can see this is the official page of Liberata, but you will not find any login portal in this. So go ahead and click on the second link or the third link. Most probably the third link will open up. So after you click on the third link, this official login portal of Liberata Employment Check or your Liberata Payroll will open up. Go ahead and write down your username in the first box. After you write down your username, go to the second box and write down your password. Then go ahead and click on this icon and check your password. Then click login. This way you can successfully log into your Liberata Payroll account. If you have any confusion about your password or have forgotten your password, click on Forgot My Password. Write down your email address in this box over here and click Request a Reset. A mail will be sent to you by Liberata. Go ahead and check your mail and click on the reset link and you can easily reset your password and log in back to your Liberata Payroll account once again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.